Hi everyone, and welcome to the Droidy channel. In today's video, we'll be addressing a specific issue, an Android phone getting stuck on the Allow USB debugging prompt. The USB debugging feature on Android phones is a crucial tool. It facilitates the connection between your phone and a computer, enabling you to access and utilize various advanced functions. However, you may encounter a situation where, after attempting to enable this feature, your Android phone gets stuck on the Allow USB debugging screen, a prompt that simply won't go away, no matter what actions you take. What should you do when this happens to you? We've come across numerous reports of this issue on various forums, so we decided to investigate and compile a list of potential solutions. Please watch this video patiently to understand why you might be unable to enable USB debugging on your Android phone, and how to fix the problem of the device getting stuck on the Allow USB debugging prompt. This video covers a wide range of compatible phone models, including Huawei, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. When the Allow USB debugging prompt keeps popping up on your Android phone, it can be quite frustrating, especially for users who need to utilize this feature immediately. However, the issue of an Android phone getting stuck on the Allow USB debugging message is by no means unsolvable. In fact, it is often quite easy to fix. To help you resolve this, we've conducted extensive online research and personally verified several viable methods. We encourage you to follow along with our methods and steps. We are confident that at least one of these solutions will work for your specific Android device. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, or leaving a comment below to let us know which method successfully resolved your issue. Method 1. Turn USB debugging off and then back on. The inability to activate USB debugging on your Android phone may stem from a glitch caused by the feature having been left enabled for an extended period. In such cases, simply toggling the USB debugging feature, turning it off and then immediately back on, is often enough to resolve the problem. This method is quite simple. Please follow along with me. Open your phone settings app, select developer options, scroll down until you locate USB debugging, and then toggle the switch to turn it off. After disabling it, wait for approximately 30 seconds, then toggle it back on and confirm the action. By performing these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of the Allow USB debugging prompt continuously popping up on your Android device. Method 2. Restart your device. Restarting your device can resolve a wide variety of underlying issues. Therefore, whenever you encounter any problems with your phone, performing a restart is always a good first troubleshooting step. The issue of your phone constantly asking for permission to allow USB debugging can often be resolved simply by restarting the device. A restart allows your Android system to refresh its processes, return to an optimal operating state, and clear out any temporary glitches or minor software errors that may be causing the problem. Consequently, restarting your Android device is a highly recommended and necessary troubleshooting step. To restart your Android phone, simply press and hold the power button until the restart menu appears on your screen. On the restart screen, tap the restart icon. Your phone will then begin to reboot. Please wait patiently for the restart process to complete. Once finished, open your phone's settings again to check if the issue has been resolved. Method 3. Restart developer options. Disabling and then re-enabling the developer options, which are currently active, is another potential solution. Doing so effectively toggles the USB debugging feature off and back on. To resolve the issue of the Allow USB debugging prompt getting stuck on your Android phone, follow these steps to restart developer options. First, turn off developer options. Next, go to About Phone, select Software Information, and finally, locate build number and tap it 7 times consecutively. This will reactivate developer options. You can then re-enable the USB debugging feature and confirm the selection. Once successfully confirmed, your Android phone should no longer be stuck on the USB debugging screen. Method 4. Perform a factory reset. Performing a factory reset is another viable solution for situations where the Allow USB debugging message persists even after tapping the OK button. However, a factory reset will erase all content and settings on your Android phone. Therefore, it is absolutely essential that you back up all necessary data before proceeding with the reset. To factory reset your Android phone, start by opening the Settings app. Once inside Settings, locate and tap on General Management. Within the General Management interface, find the Reset option, tap it, and then select Factory Data Reset. At this point, your Android phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently for the reboot to complete. Once the reset process is finished, your phone will boot up again, and all data will have been wiped. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Android phone again, and observe whether the device is no longer stuck on the USB debugging screen. Method 5. Seek professional assistance. If even a factory reset fails to resolve the persistent USB debugging issue, it is highly likely that there is a hardware malfunction involving an internal component of your Android device. We recommend taking your Android device to an authorized service center, where professional technicians can use specialized tools to further diagnose the problem. That concludes today's video. If you found this video helpful and appreciate the work we've done, please give us a like, share this video, and let us know in the comments section which method helped you resolve your issue. Additionally, if you feel there are areas where we could improve, please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section as well. Thank you. We wish you the best of luck.